Alright, y'all, come on my morning beach walk with me. There's my bike. And let's go up to the beach this morning. I've been hearing people say that they want to go to the beach. And I'm like, I'm taking this for granted because I live up the street. It's been literally 100 degrees in Virginia, so but we about to get into it, y'all. Let's go. It's so good. So this guy is like on the beach. I don't know how I might have to try it. Here's some of the houses in my neighborhood. So lovely. Oh my God, there's crabs. Oh, they be out here, y'all. And here is the ocean, the goddess, Yemoya, Mamiwata, Elohim. Can you feel the mermaid's energy? Good morning, y'all. I just wanted to share some good energy with you. I'm gonna go in the water right now because I need it. So as empaths, we need nature so much. And that's why as much as I love living close to my people, I could not imagine not living by the ocean. It's like we are one. And when I connect to her, her connect to me. Good morning. I love you. I hope you have a beautiful day today. Period. Where the sun kisses the sea.